guys, Sawadee ka. Today I'm sharing the recipe of papaya salad or Som Tum. There are many variations, but the basic flavor is always garlic, chilies, and the three flavors: salty from fish sauce, sweet from palm sugar, and sour from lime. And I hope you enjoy the recipe. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have the green papayas. This is something you can find in Asian grocery stores. There is tomatoes, garlic, chilies, and this is up to your discretion of how spicy you want them to be, or how spicy you want your papaya salad to be. I have toasted peanuts, dry shrimp, this is optional, and the three flavors: palm sugar for sweetness, fish sauce for saltiness, and lime juice. I'm going to show you how to make the sauce first, and this will be the fundamental sauce for a lot of Thai salad. Okay, so I use a couple tablespoons of palm sugar. Actually, if you use the other kind of sugar, make that half. Palm sugar is actually very good for diabetics. This is a couple tablespoons of fish sauce, and you mix that together. And then a couple tablespoons of lime juice. And here you have all the three flavors together, and this will become the sauce for your papaya salad. After we peel the papayas, you get something like this, and you chop it with knife. And this is a traditional way. Chop it with knife, and then you slice it, and that's inconsistent, kind of give it the texture. But today we have a grater that you can find, hand graters. That's help it faster, more consistent in terms of uniform. We're ready to go. Okay, so we start with garlic. I clean a bit of my garlic, maybe about 3 cloves. And some chilies. We'll do about 3. And pound that together. Then, if you choose dry shrimp, which will need to be pounded at the early stage. Next, I will add peanuts, toasted peanuts, a couple tablespoons of that. I only want to break it up. From there, long beans. If you have other kind of beans, you can use it. Green beans, that will work too. Again, just break that up. Next would be tomatoes. If you have cherry tomatoes, that would also work. I just happen to have this. I just want to again break it up. Now We are ready to go, except the papaya, which we'll throw in at the last. For now, I'm going to add the flavor. So that sauce that we made earlier, I'm just going to throw that in about 3-4 tablespoons. A handful of papaya. And now lightly mix that together. You don't want to bruise the papaya. You don't want it to be too soft. You want it to maintain the crisp texture. That's it. We're done. Here you go. Papaya salad.
Hey, if you enjoyed the recipe, please subscribe, as well as check out the Facebook page, Taste and Travel with Chef Hnoi. Check out the recipe and contact information below this video. ขอบคุณค่ะ